there, my stylish friends from Sewing Haven. Picture this. You walk into a room and suddenly every head turns your way. Not because your outfit is flashy, but because it speaks. It speaks elegance, confidence, and quiet power. Today, we're diving into a timeless piece that defines all of that, the tailored, double-breasted blazer. This isn't just a jacket, it's a statement, a symbol of sophistication that makes you look like the queen of silhouettes. Whether you style it up or keep it casual, this blazer always steals the show. It's that perfect blend of structure and softness, inspired by classic European tailoring, the kind of piece you'd spot on the streets of Paris, Milan, or New York. Depending on how you wear it, it fits beautifully into both chic business wear and smart casual luxe styles. Elegant enough for the office, yet relaxed enough for a stylish day out. So, are you ready to discover the secret behind this fashion icon? Let's get started. The length usually sits just a little below the hip line, about 70 to 75 centimeters, or roughly 27 to 29 inches from the shoulder down. This cut is super flattering because it visually elongates your body, making you look taller and slimmer while perfectly balancing your waistline. It's that perfect proportion that gives your blazer that polished, elegant look. Not too short, not too long, just right. Before we jump into this fabulous blazer project, there's one little thing you really need, our basic blazer pattern. Now, if you don't have it yet, no worries. I'll tell you exactly how to get it at the end of this video. So don't go anywhere, because without this base pattern, sewing your blazer can be tricky. But once you've got it, everything just falls perfectly into place, and you'll see how smooth and fun this project becomes. So stay with me till the end. I'll show you exactly where to click and how to grab your full pattern tutorial. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Wow, if you're still here, I can already tell you got great taste and a true passion for style. I'd love to know where you're watching from. So drop a comment and tell me which part of the world you're sewing in. And hey, if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe because I've got so many more exciting next-level tutorials coming your way. Don't forget to like, share, and let me know in the comments what kind of sewing project you want to see next. Or if you're loving these blazer lessons as much as I do, oh, and check out the playlists. There's a whole world of creative sewing ideas waiting for you there. Now let's talk about one of my favorite design details, the double welt pocket. This pocket is created using two narrow fabric strips, one above and one below the opening, giving it that clean, tailored look you usually see in high-end blazers and trousers. Sometimes you might also hear it called a double bound pocket, especially in British sewing books, but double welt pocket is definitely the most common name. For this blazer, I wanted to make it extra elegant. So I added a flap, turning it into a double welt flat pocket, a small touch that instantly makes your blazer look designer level. Now, here's a little sewing tip. If you only want the pocket for decoration, you can simply cut a small rectangle, the same width as your pocket opening, plus the height of both welts and a little extra seam allowance all around. Stitch this piece behind the pocket opening, and that's it. You've got a faux pocket that looks perfectly real. But if you actually want to use the pocket, cut that same rectangle a bit longer and from your main fabric. This way, when the pocket opens, you won't see the lining peeking out. Then use lining fabric for the rest of the pocket bag so it doesn't feel heavy or bulky. Little tricks like this make your blazer look refined and practical, inside and out. So, where can you wear this gorgeous blazer? Honestly, everywhere. It's absolutely perfect for business meetings, formal looks, dinner dates, or any special occasion where you want to make an impression. You can even wear it when you just want to feel powerful, feminine, and completely put together, because this blazer does it all. The best part? With just a quick change of accessories, it transforms beautifully from a daytime look to an evening outfit. I designed this styling with so much love, so if you're not sure which fabric color to choose or how to match it with your wardrobe, go back and re-watch the beginning of this video carefully. You'll find all the little styling secrets waiting for you there. The great thing about this blazer is that it truly flatters every body shape. For hourglass and pear shapes, it beautifully highlights the waist and follows your natural curves, super feminine and balanced. For rectangle or inverted triangle shapes, it helps create more definition at the waist and adds balance between the shoulders and hips, giving that soft, elegant silhouette. And for apple shapes, go for a version with a slightly deeper neckline or a single-breasted style. It visually elongates the body and looks incredibly chic. The best part? This pattern works perfectly for all sizes, from XS to 3XL. Just make sure it fits nicely around the shoulders and waist, and you'll have a blazer that looks like it was made just for you. Once you've traced your blazer front pattern and separated it along the dotted line, it's time to close the bust dart on your pattern. After that, using this updated version, cut 2 side pieces for the lining of your blazer. This step helps the lining sit perfectly inside the jacket, smooth, neat, and without any extra bulk. That's how you get that clean, professional finish inside your blazer. Now, from the other section of the same pattern, the one that includes the lapel and the front edge of your trench-style blazer, Cut 2 pieces from your main fabric. This part forms the facing, which gives the front of your blazer its beautiful shape and structure. Just don't forget to reinforce your facing with fusible interfacing to keep it crisp and perfectly structured. I've already shown exactly how to apply the fusible in one of my previous videos, so if you're new to that, make sure to check it out later. See how fast and effortlessly I'm drafting these patterns? The secret behind this speed and precision is using my basic body, sleeve, and pants patterns, plus a few clever fit and shaping techniques. And guess what? All of that is available exclusively inside the basic stitch level. It's a small investment that brings huge growth in your sewing skills. This is the key to leveling up your sewing, to make your designs faster, cleaner, and way more professional. So don't wait any longer. Hit that join button now and never miss another video again. This blazer features a classic notched or peaked lapel, the kind that instantly elongates your body and adds a touch of timeless elegance. Style it with wide-leg tailored trousers, a silk blouse, or even a midi skirt for that effortlessly modern, luxe vibe. For the finishing touch, go with gold accessories or statement jewelry, little details that make your whole look glow. And remember, a well-tailored blazer isn't just a piece of clothing. It's a blend of power, grace, and confidence. So next time you put on your favorite blazer, remember, it's not just about getting dressed. You're stepping into the best version of yourself, because true elegance doesn't shout. It shines quietly, in every perfect seam, and in shoulders that carry confidence. This technique is specially designed for those who have a flatter or slightly rounded hip shape. It helps the garment fall smoothly and evenly over the body, so your blazer looks perfectly fitted without any pulling or extra fabric around the lower back or hem. It's one of those tiny adjustments that make a huge difference, turning your project from good to beautifully professional. If you want that clean, luxury finish and perfect fit, here's what I recommend. For autumn and winter, go with tweed, wool blends, or gabardine. They hold structure beautifully and give your blazer that classic tailored look. For spring and summer, lighter options work best. Think crepe, linen blends, or lightweight suiting fabrics. If you want to add a touch of shine and elegance, choose satin finish crepe or jacquard. They give that subtle, expensive glow under the light. And if you're feeling romantic, like a dreamy lace version, go for textured lace with a satin lining. It's feminine, graceful, and absolutely stunning. Let's talk about how much fabric you'll need for this blazer. On average, you'll need about 1.8 to 2.4 meters of fabric, depending on your size, from XS up to 3XL, and also on the sleeve length. If you're working with patterned fabric or lace, grab an extra 0.3 meters so you can match the design or repeat the pattern perfectly. For the lining, I recommend using lightweight satin or viscose. It'll make the blazer glide on easily and feel super comfortable to wear. For the lining fabric, you'll need about 1.5 to 1.8 meters in total. Always double check your pattern layout before cutting. It's the best way to save both fabric and time. If you'd like to turn this sleeve into a two-piece design, make sure you're using the same pattern where you already added your ease, especially that 1.5 centimeters you lowered at the armhole. That detail really matters. It helps your sleeve look more elegant and move comfortably once it's divided into two parts. And just so you know, I've already uploaded a full tutorial on how to convert a one-piece sleeve into a two-piece tailored sleeve. It's available exclusively for channel members. You can also find the basic bodice pattern tutorial there too. By joining the membership, you'll get access to all these exclusive, in-depth lessons that help you sew like a pro. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. I'd love to hear what you think. Tell me in the comments how this tutorial worked for you or what kind of design you'd like to learn next. Now, let's keep creating together. Click right here to watch the next tutorial I've prepared for you. And don't forget to check out the playlist for more step-by-step sewing lessons. See you there, and as always, stay creative, stay confident, and keep sewing with love.